One of the biggest frustrations with SEO is how long it usually takes. You can build a website, write articles, and still wait months just to see your content show up in search. Ghost pages work differently, and that's why they can rank so much faster. Here's why. Ghost pages are built on Google's own platforms. And since Google naturally trusts its own properties, it tends to index and rank them almost right away. That means instead of waiting months, you can sometimes see results within days. The secret to ranking quickly is choosing the right keywords. Go after terms that buyers are already searching for, but don't have tons of competition. Then set up multiple ghost pages that link together. This stacking effect tells Google your content is relevant, and it helps push your pages even higher. The result? Free traffic flowing to your affiliate links, your offers, or whatever you're promoting, without the usual SEO grind. If you want to see step-by-step how to set up ghost pages that rank fast, I've dropped a link in the description. Click it now and start building your first ghost page today.